Hello, welcome the Sauce Reads episode. Today questions. What is GetResponse Webinars? GetResponse Webinars are interactive, web-based seminars with people who want to know more about what you offer. They are a great way to build your marketing list. The webinar room offers you not only audio and video streaming but also access to online polling, desktop sharing, file sharing, and a digital whiteboard. Participants can collaborate with you and other attendees using the live chat box to share feedback and ask questions. Webinar participants can join webinars from mobile devices using the GetResponse Webinars app. You can also use the app to run a webinar. How do I enable webinars in my GetResponse account? Does it cost extra? Webinars are a paid add-on in the basic package. You can enable it under Billing My Add-ons for $40 per month, 100 attendees, or for $99 per month, 500 attendees. If you have chosen the Plus or Professional package, webinars are included, so there are no extra costs. Depending on your package, you can host up to 100 or up to 300 attendees during your webinar. Note: North American accounts may not have access to purchase or enable add-ons. Webinars are still available through the Plus, Webinars 100, and Professional, Webinars 300, packages upon upgrade. The payment is recurrent and it will renew every 30 days. If you've signed up for a GetResponse 30-day free trial, you can host webinars with up to 10 attendees. Extra bonus: if you're thinking of registering for the GetResponse webinar, we can give you our 11-step ebook for a good webinar. Please send a message to our WhatsApp support line without registering for the bonus. We'll be right back. Is there an app for GetResponse Webinars? Webinar participants can join webinars from mobile devices using the GetResponse Webinars app. You can also use the app to run a webinar. You can find a link to the 30-day trial version in the description section. Try it now. You have nothing to lose. Take advantage of the great opportunity. Do not forget to request the bonus from the WhatsApp support line.